Ebusia Minister of Lands and Natural Resource, Tinisio mama. Na bebusa said it ya. Adia efa chema Wontumi Akonta mining sites no.
Wait, camera no mum project mami. Wait, that's right.
When your friend goat.
So boy.
When your friend goat. When your friend goat.
When you teso.
When you teso.
Sikakoko.
Etinya krata noa. Ya wono ena ma Ghana enya siko.
Sansem no amanfo se we Galamsey amanfo se ye illegal mining ehun sensem ama na nado danko akufo ade kwa be defend chema Wontumi na no ena Arrɛsted asare donko any documentary bi aba bontia eseweni ensa okache na minister say adie we ya wahye de wo se Ghana ni bi esu se de odu so esu no aha let's talk ghtrends and any first time I put into a video make sure to subscribe ama me no click on notification bell no for latest updates on Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok also as let's talk ghtrends video ama for free share any comments bi awo no eja comment section e di amma me ebusia journalist ba ko a wo de asi ne nanso ono de ode ato na koma so sem eba illegal mining na Galamsey ho nsem a ekoso wo Ghana yensuo nyina asai na ono de onna eye Arrɛsted asare donko ono oye ejuma multimedia na journalist na chese eba say na documentary based on illegal mining dia on fenyago na ne wakofa basisi ade eseweni ense wo ka chese wo share documentary no western region side ho Sama boy na chese wo hye nsuo no de wa say machines sisi ho ene ne nkrofo ye dia na chese Ghana de
spread our history. Trees that held rains and fed our rivers. Now, they are just corpses in a graveyard.
This is the Tana River, which once gave life to the people of Summer Boy and its environs.
Children swam here. Women cooked with it. Farmers watered their crops with it and drank from it. The fufu and palm nut soup we so enjoy was birthed here. Today, it carries the blood of the land, murdered for gold by greed of
Akonta Mining Company Limited.
Thick brown poison swirling where crystal waters once flowed. These men, they may be criminals, and yet they are also victims.
This documentary ebeto owo de ene nkofo ahye de bebre aka wonsem na ade ba ko na Arrɛsted ne nsem ade bia o kan se oye sa documentary we nyina wa twempanyimfo agency so countless time a watch resem sampanyimfo na ya to aba ma wo mu no party members na omuhu ni say ma aban they are the same people a omu eye illegal mining no omu ene financing nkofo mama wusika koto machines we ye say omu na share tire ema nkofo eye ne omu ye no waka obia enhye da emfi no ti sa documentary we beto ho na lands minister say no ade we de me mfa ni agro kra e was say ye make sure so onipa biara oye involved no yetumi ema yensa esonimo na poster eye Arrɛsted asare donko eye ni first poster we o say Galamsey update. So ongoing police raid on Galamsey site in Summer Boy Forest and Tano River. So day 4. So 21 more illegal miners arrested in Tano, Niuri, and along the Tano River. In all, 47 illegal miners arrested so far, 39 Ghanaians, 8 Chinese, and 4 Ghanaian women. 17 excavators and 1 bulldozer seized. First 26 suspected transported to Accra to face justice. Raid continues. More updates soon. So before this post, na Ghana police achi nipa 26. Asa nipa 26 we emu 18 Ghanaians, 2 Koreans, and 6 Chinese. Sankofo we nyina ye chiromo e Summer Boy Forest kwa na chese according to reports of police for the Babonte no na chese omu ye in connection with illegal mining na Akonta mining and Sashasi. Akonta mining has to do with Chairman Wontumi. And on countless times, Chairman Wontumi Abe Tinaho Akase only any connection when it comes to illegal mining. So this arrested by following another arrested twice, so 21, making the total 47. 47 and no ana Erastus Kase. Emu 39 Ghana for ye emu 39 Ghana for 8 Chinese and Koreans ana emu 4 wo hwemu emu 4 ye ma women aches almost so Galamsey na sansem we nyina abeto ho no ana lance minister say oba no abebriefi media no na wabekire my Ghana die omasema o kan say enipa biara we involved in Galamsey o bombe make sure say o be bring him to book no they are on it eho no eni nisuo die minister Emmanuel Kofibwa o so say ya Abusia honorable Emmanuel Kofibwa ana chese wo eni nisuo na chese yankropro no crowd mu se no wontimi kra nhye ne ho so na kampese wababa be address ya na so wababa kasa watese na ye wo sa akrokro bi bam because say the number of times I would share documentary ni na yesu no so say ye no wanwa say ye ya aga na ni be kasa me de adwuma wei ana meye ansa na medidi na chese arefo. After when I me expect you, me expect bibia de me ho ya ne say Wontumi TV, Wontumi group. Oma babe ye post omu still na they are still denying. First post no omo ye no mo say your allegations are not true. Chairman Wontumi responds to Ama Kofibwa over illegal mining allegations. Another post or say I have never been to Aboy Forest. I don't work there. I don't have license there. Forestry Commission is responsible for the forest, not me. So they should be asked in 2023. The Minerals Commission and Minister directed the Forestry Commission to take charge of the place. I never stepped my foot there. Another will say, I am not working. I have stopped working for a very long time. So I am challenging Erastus. If he claims he has arrested anybody who has been caught engaging in illegal mining and claims is working for Akonta, he should send the person to court. I am challenging him. Akonta Mining is a legal mining company, but the only thing is that we are not working. We have all the documents just like Anglo Gold and others have. And then the last post our year or say, don't be a social media hero. And this particular post echo Edema Minister for Lands and then Natural Resources or say, don't be a social media hero. Go to court with your evidence on illegal mining. Chairman Wontumi tells Erastus don't connect say Erastus a documentary now where they are better one idea. Kiane Chairman Wontumi say Akonta mining crown they are even on break for a very long time. They're not even working. It is also watching cophobia. They are claiming that omu ye ejuma ma Akonta mining na for moko court. Not just a mumfa proper dealings enye ejuma. What I say? The see Chairman Wontumi deny say. Even the documentary mentioning Akonta mining ni nyina ntro it was say Erastus asama worker nyina ntro ministers who are besu nyina ni claims are still na yebo ni di wom ni nyina ntro it so obi say our evidence against him the fakone emfa ne court na court enemy indeed na che say enye easy chema wuntimi nye na je say or bet na se kra ama che say n'ani machichi from but minister kasa no ka say you revoking the license yes contamin the license on say you revoking because onim ne nti e wo say we dey with license e be illegal activities it's na che say nia e wo no ne amanfo obisa say na minister na o kasa ya na wusun ye pa actions so yes wo actions ne hia enyesu Ghana for ai so adamafo bisa say na his excellency former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be ka say Akonta mining enyi any involved in any illegal activities and also so akosi saying na che say the air coso e Ghana de enya asem so me de mani e de nsem na chi any update be for ba me de baba be so mo me ka so do follow Facebook Arrɛsted na TikTok so Arrɛsted share video we ama foforo abehwe bidin e de na nika santo makramo